Headlight 9005 LED headlight bulbs.
The Headlight 9005 LED headlight bulbs are a high-quality lighting solution designed to enhance visibility and safety while driving. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to test and evaluate these headlights, and I must say, they impressed me. First and foremost, the Headlight 9005 LED bulbs are manufactured by Headlight, a reputable brand known for producing reliable automotive accessories. This instills confidence in the product's quality and longevity. One notable feature of these LED headlight bulbs is their super bright output. With a specific use for headlights, they provide excellent illumination on the road, ensuring improved visibility during both day and night driving. This brightness allows for a safer driving experience, reducing the chances of accidents. Additionally, the plug-and-play design of the Headlight 9005 bulbs makes installation a breeze. No complicated wiring or modifications are required. Just plug them in, and you're good to go.